You know it. You love it. You've probably had it this week, maybe even today. But before it became the takeout king of the modern world, before it was folded in half on New York sidewalks, it was a message, a symbol, a political weapon, baked in a wood-fired oven in the heart of Naples. This is not just the story of a pizza, it's the story of a queen, a flag, and a recipe that conquered the planet without firing a single shot. Welcome to Once Upon a Dish, where something delicious happened. (1889). Italy is barely 2 decades old. It's fragile, a stitched-together republic trying to build a national identity out of pasta, politics, and posturing. Queen Margherita of Savoy visits Naples with King Umberto I, and, against royal protocol, she wants to taste what the locals eat. Now, in a tiny pizzeria not far from the royal residence, a man named Raffaele Esposito sees his moment. A commoner, il pizzaiolo, a man with a plan. Red, white, green. Esposito chooses his colors carefully. Red, crushed San Marzano tomatoes, tangy, vibrant, sun-ripened on volcanic soil. White, fresh buffalo mozzarella, creamy, delicate, pure. Green, basil leaves, earthy, aromatic, defiant. A pizza that mirrors the Italian flag, a subtle act of patriotism, or maybe genius PR. He slides it into the wood-fired oven. Flames roar, dough bubbles. And when it emerges, blistered, fragrant, shimmering with olive oil, it's not just food, it's a national anthem on a plate. Queen Margherita takes a bite. She doesn't flinch, she doesn't scoff, she smiles. A letter is issued from the palace, praising the dish and immortalizing its creator. Esposito names it in her honor, Pizza Margherita. A dish of the poor has just become food for a queen, and in doing so, it bridges a kingdom. From Naples, the Margherita travels with immigrants, crossing oceans, riding ships, arriving in New York in the early 1900s. Pizza parlors sprout in Little Italy, then diners, then malls, then freezers, then space stations. Yes, NASA sent pizza into orbit. But even as toppings get wilder and crusts get weirder, the Margherita remains sacred. In Naples today, it's protected by law. To be certified authentic, the dough must rise just so, the tomatoes must be San Marzano, and the oven must be blazing with oak fire. What started as a 3-ingredient message in 1889 is now a global icon, eaten in every time zone, every hour of every day. Pizza Margherita is a proof that food can tell stories. It's a dish that united a country, that whispered rebellion through basil, that turned a wood-fired crust into a symbol of pride. So now it's your turn. What's your favorite way to make a Pizza Margherita? Do you go traditional, with buffalo mozzarella and wood fire? Or do you have a twist of your own? Drop your recipe or secret tip in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more edible history, right here on Once Upon a Dish, where something delicious happened.